Hello kids, let's learn art and craft supplies. Colored pencil. This is a colored pencil. Crayon. This is a crayon. Sketch pen. This is a sketch pen. Watercolor paint. This is a watercolor paint. Acrylic paint. This is a acrylic paint. Poster paint. This is a poster paint. Paintbrush. These are paintbrush. Paint plate. This is a paint plate. Drawing paper. This is a drawing paper. Sketchbook. This is a sketchbook. Eraser. This is a eraser. Sharpener. This is a sharpener. Glue stick. This is a glue stick. Liquid glue. This is a liquid glue. Scissor. This is a scissor. Craft knife. This is a craft knife. Masking tape. This is a masking tape. Double-sided tape. This is a double-sided tape. Glitter. This is a glitter. Glitter glue. This is a glitter glue. Colored paper. This is a colored paper. Origami paper. This is a origami paper. Foam sheet. This is a foam sheet. Modeling clay. This is a modeling clay. Pipe cleaner. This is a pipe cleaner. Popsicle stick. This is a popsicle sticks. Pom-pom ball. This is a pom-pom ball. Googly eyes. This is a googly eyes. Stickers. These are stickers. Stencil. This is a stencil. Charcoal pencil. This is a charcoal pencil. Oil pastels. This is a oil pastels. Calligraph pen. This is a calligraph pen. Easel. This is a easel. Pencil case. This is a pencil case. Ribbon. This is a ribbon. Paper plates. This is a Paper plates. Buttons. This is a buttons. Thread. This is a thread. Cotton ball. This is a cotton ball. Cotton swab. This is a cotton swab. Twin. This is a twin. Hole punch. This is a hole punch. Stapler. This is a stapler. Craft box. This is a craft box. Jams. This is a jams. You are doing great, kids. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel for more updates.